thank you everybody for subscribing. We just launched our channel and we're getting comments and it's so exciting.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks for having me on.
Of course.
Well, this is when you get frustrated,
Yeah.
anxious, mad at each other.
Yeah. So it really helps me when I step away from the situation. Like, let's say I was getting mad because Liliana pulled away a book from me or something.
Which happens, right?
Yes, it does.
Right, we're all human, and
It's a part of life.
Yeah.
I mean, so
so what do you do exactly?
So a lot of people, including me, just want to like stay in. Like both of us, I'll explain it in the way my mom explains it. It's like we have this anger ball and we're playing catch with it to each other, back and forth, back and forth.
In that,
And one of us, by stepping away or taking 3 deep breaths, can be throwing that anger ball out the window.
okay, so if we keep throwing it back and forth,
Back and forth,
It's
we're just mad at
literally-
each other.
like when we are in an argument, and
Yeah.
I'm saying, Mirabelle, this,
But Dad, I wanted that. Blah, blah,
but
blah.
you did that.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah. And if one of us just throws it out the window, we'll probably be like, Dad, I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to say that.
So the way you guys do that is how? You,
Well, we can step away. This can be hard. Really,
it is hard because you want to keep
Yes.
throwing that ball back and forth.
like literally.
But I've
It's something you
seen-
really want to do.
You do it when you as soon as you realize that you're having some emotions, you stop and you nicely ask each other to step away.
Yeah.
Now sometimes that goes awry and people don't give space.
Yep. Lily, I want that back! I was reading it first. You should be doing this. Okay, I need to step away for 3 deep breaths and step away. Okay, Lo? Lily, let me be. I need to step away. Stop it, you better. I'm telling Mom otherwise.
But usually it's respected, and then what do you do when you have that space? Because it's easy to go in and just be
I
mad.
can take 3 deep breaths. That's another video I have. But you can step away and take 3 deep breaths.
You're just trying to get clarity in your mind before you go back into that situation.
Realize what you're doing
And then it's not bad to be angry with somebody,
No.
but you might come back and say, okay, I'm angry with you, and here's why. Could we sit down and talk about it? And
yeah, and basically by doing that, you're throwing the ball out the window.
wow.
Thanks for watching, and tell me some ways you deal with frustration and anger.
Thank you.
If you would like to help me and my family make these videos, you can become a patron on Patreon or PayPal.
Thank you.